Okay, now let's say we have solved it until the last matrix, and we have solved it the system of linear equation. Okay, until the last matrix we got in this form. So this is in the form of reduced row echelon form. Okay, this one. Okay, before this titik bertindih. Okay, this is in the form of row echelon form or reduced row echelon form. Okay, so this is not in the square matrix. This is more to rectangle matrix. So what will happen? This is not homogen. Okay, dia tak sama lah bentuk. Dia tak sama bentuk. Ni dia akan jadi macam ni lah. So now I will explain to you. So let's say so this is the leading one, right? So this also the leading one, kan? So ada dua leading one here at this matrix, satu ni dengan satu ni. So as I have teach you before, the first column must be x1, the second column must be x2, the third column must be x3, and the fourth column must be x4, the fifth column must be x5. So the only leading one is x1 and x4. Okay, x4, x1. The others, x2, x3, x5, there is no leading one. So when there is no leading one, we hold it for a second. Let's solve for x1 and x4. So x4, okay, half, okay, minus half x5. So this is column for x5, column for x4, column for x3, column for x2, column for x1. So yang ni setengah minus. So since this is column x5, so this is setengah x5. Same goes to x1. So x1 ni x1 kan, ni leading one dia. So ni dekat x1 ni. So this is 2 over 3 minus x2 minus 2x3. Okay, and then minus 5 over 2. So minus dengan minus will become positive lah. So 5 over 2 x5. So apa yang berlaku dekat x2, x3 and x5, kan? Sebab x2, x3, x5 tak ada leading one. So kita just letaklah any variable. Okay, let's say x2 equals to r, x3 equals to s, x5 equals to t. So where r, s and t are real number. Real number ni maksudnya tak kisahlah nombor apa-apa pun, dia boleh jadi apa-apa number. Tapi masalahnya sebab dia dalam bentuk rectangle. Sebab tu kita terpaksa letak any variable which we have defined this variable as real numbers. Real numbers means that any numbers can be lah. So since we have defined x2 is r, x3 is s, x5 is t. So all this value we insert in x1 and x4. Okay. Now x1 ni 2/3 kan, and then minus x2. So since x2 we have decided as r, put it r lah. And then x3 here we have decided to put it as s, then minus 2s, then x5 is t, right? So tukarlah x5 ni jadi t. So dapatlah bentuk macam ni. Same goes to x4. So x4 equals to half minus half x5. So x5 kat sini kan. So x5 dekat sini kita dah define dia as t. So half minus half t. Okay, then salin balik. Okay, x2 equals to r, x3 equals to s, and then x5 equals to t. So kalau dapat rectangle matrix macam ni, bila kita nak cari nilai x1, nak cari nilai x2, nak cari x3, x4, x5 dah become susah. Tapi remember, the first one you have to do, you have to know what is the leading one. So leading one dia adalah yang ni dengan yang ni. So leading one ni dekat variable apa? x1 dengan x4. Sebab tu kita buat yang ni dulu, kita solve yang ni dulu. So yang lain ni x2, x3 dengan x5 tak ada leading one. Bila tak ada leading one, kita tak tahu apa nombor dia. Kita tak tahu macam nak selesaikan dia. That's why kita letak any variable. So any variable ni kita define as real numbers. So bila dah define apa x2, x3, x5, then we insert this value into this x4 and x1. That's why we got like this one. Okay? Hope you can understand lah. Okay? If any question, then you can ask me in WhatsApp.